5 business ideas with low investment and high profit. The thought of investing large sums in a business that yields none to minimum returns is a nightmare for every aspiring entrepreneur. However, it is a fact that not all business investment ideas require a high capital base. In this era, online work is the trend, and the best business ideas to start with are investments as low as $100, and high returns will be those that only require an internet connection, a laptop, and a virtual client. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 business ideas with low investment and high profit. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Starting a business is a massive responsibility and can be overwhelming for a lot of people. However, not following the everyday monotonous 9-to-5 office routine anymore and making all decisions yourself is one of the world's best feelings. But not everyone is able to turn their dream of running a business into a reality due to lack of funds. Now, we have a solution for you. Today, we will discuss about some of the low investment business ideas, which also yield good profits. So you can now start your own business and turn your passion into a profession. Let's have a look at some of these amazing investment businesses. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the best small profitable business ideas these days. It is a retail fulfillment method where you can open an online store without storing any inventory. Thus, you don't invest a penny in inventory and can start a business with limited funds. Whenever the store makes a sale, the product is purchased from a third party and directly shipped to the customer. Simply put, you make a sale, pass the order to the supplier, and he ships it to the customer on your behalf. Thereby, you don't have to store or handle the inventory. It saves you time as well as money. So, the products can be curated from more than one supplier. However, it is suggested you first order a sample product from the supplier to ensure he is reliable and that the product's quality fits the online store. With the dropshipping model, you don't need to focus on buying or storing inventory. You can concentrate entirely on the marketing of the online store and customer service. Notably, your store's trustworthiness will depend on the quality you offer and the order fulfillment strategy you adopt. Hence, it is one of the top small investment businesses. However, you must keep a check on to ensure business success. Freelancing. Do you like writing? Do you have a blog? Or have you submitted a blog post to another website? If you are, why not get paid for it? If you're good at what you do and have the skills, then there are side hustle opportunities out there to make a lot of extra money as a freelance writer. It's a great time to be a freelancer. There are so many ways you can make some money on the side, from writing product descriptions, transcribing audio recording, to proofreading other people's work. The best part about this gig? It doesn't take much commitment or motivation. Just pick jobs that interest you, based on what interests you most, and fit them to your schedule, around everything else going on in your life. This side hustle could be the perfect addition to your portfolio and even give you some extra cash. The average pay for writing or proofreading varies, but if you're good at writing what you do, there's the potential to earn up to $3,000 per month from just 3 to 4 completed jobs. The investment for this business is time. So offering freelance services is a great and low-cost way to transition from that 9-to-5 hour job to self-employment, and it gives one the time and flexibility to work with more than just one client. On-demand skills like digital marketing, graphic designing, writing, and virtual assistants can turn into a service-based business. Moreover, the beauty of this business is that it's a scalable opportunity, and one gets to charge what they are worth. The most sought-after freelancers can charge very high rates for their services. Moreover, most freelancers claim that they make more income working in their current online setups than they were making working for traditional employers. Selling digital products. Today, there is an endless list of digital products that one can create and sell online, such as templates, online courses, music, graphics, photos, and video. All they need is expertise and knowledge of the market demand. The idea is to find a product that is useful enough for the customer to download. Once up and running, profit margins remain high because there are no recurring manufacturing costs. Creating a software-enabled merchandise or service that provides a certain form of utility to people or solves human problems can be a profitable business. Some of these digital products require very little capital and skills to begin. Examples of these digital products include ebooks, internet radio, downloadable music, streaming media, and internet television. The first benefit of selling digital products is that it is a cost-effective trade that does not require heavy financial investment in product manufacturing or inventory. The second merit of dealing with digital products is that there is no cost of transportation or logistical issues. Softwares are downloadable from anywhere on the globe, thus increasing accessibility and reducing the time wasted on transport. Finally, another advantage of selling digital products is that they offer endless possibilities. An entrepreneur can always develop new digital products for any audience or market. In addition, entrepreneurs like Microsoft can sell a single digital product like a Windows operating system to millions of customers. Coaching. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera, and even YouTube. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. Coaches train people to be better in the area where they are experts. The initial cost for starting a coaching business can be relatively low, and the main startup requirements are support tools like video conference and data collection software to help manage the program. With more experience and measurable results, a life coach can bag high returns. Adding to this, business coaches with proven and effective coaching strategies can attract high-quality clients that are willing to pay a premium for these services. In addition, coaches can easily and cheaply find their clients online and deliver the coaching services to the customers via virtual means. Lastly, business coaches can learn how to increase their clientele using digital marketing strategies by reading this ebook. All you need for this job is a good internet connection, HD quality camera to record videos, and a peaceful environment. Social media agency. In the digital age and cutthroat competition, almost all companies want to market their products digitally. They are willing to spend big budgets on advertising through various digital channels and paid social media posts and campaigns. So, running a social media agency can be a brilliant small business idea if you have a sound knowledge of marketing, branding, communication, social media, and web presence management. You can start your business venture to help other companies establish a robust digital presence. All that you require is a few computers, skilled professionals, and an office to start with. And one example of social media agency is audience monetization. Owning many followers does not fit the category of business investment ideas, but that is how influencers get rich while seemingly doing nothing. Many businesses are willing to pay for a big audience because numbers can convert into sales. As one of the more unique business ideas on this list, it could become a business with multiple avenues for income generation by featuring sponsored posts for brands, creating a brand on Patreon, and selling products. So, in conclusion, every entrepreneur dreams of venturing into a business that requires little investment but is capable of generating huge profits. Therefore, they must brainstorm every possible idea to have the enterprise run slickly and enhance profitability. Typically, there is a misconception that only huge investments can generate significant profits. However, this video has proven that there are smart business ideas that require small input capital but can churn huge profits. So, these business ideas are great because they require very little investment. But like any other business, what brings in the returns is how they differentiate from the competition. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which investment did you like the most? Share with us in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.